In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover the unsaved draft emails from Outlook. If you've ever spent time composing an email only to lose it, don't panic. Outlook often leaves a trail you can use to get that work back, and with a couple of settings, you can prevent most future losses. Let's start with recovery, then lock in a quick safeguard. First, open Outlook and go straight to the deleted items folder. You'll find it in the left-hand sidebar alongside your inbox, sent items, and drafts. Deleted items is where Outlook places messages you remove, and sometimes a draft can end up there after a crash, a misclick, or an unexpected close. With deleted items selected, use the search box at the top of your message list. Type a keyword or a phrase from your draft, maybe a unique line, the subject, or the recipient you remember. If you wrote it recently, consider sorting by date to bring the most recent items to the top. Keep your search focused on deleted items so you don't get lost in other folders. Once you find the message, put it back where it belongs. Right-click the email, choose Move, and then select Drafts. If you prefer, you can also drag the message from deleted items and drop it directly onto the Drafts folder in the sidebar. If you're using Outlook on the web, look for the Recover button in the top ribbon after selecting the message. This will restore it, typically back to its original location, which for drafts is the Drafts folder. After moving or recovering it, open Drafts to confirm your content is there and continue editing. Now that you've recovered what you can, let's minimize the chances of this happening again. In Outlook on your computer, go to File, then Options, and open the Mail section. Look for the Autosave or Save Items setting that controls how often Outlook saves unsent messages. Set it to a short interval. 1 to 3 minutes is a good balance. This means that as you type, Outlook periodically stores a copy in drafts, so even if your app or computer crashes, you usually won't lose more than a minute or two of writing. Make it a habit to glance at your drafts folder from time to time, especially when you're working on something important. If the desktop app isn't cooperating after a crash, try Outlook on the web. Sometimes your drafts sync there and are easier to recover from deleted items using the Recover option. That's it. Thanks for watching.